The health benefits of Caraway Essential Oil can be attributed to its properties as a galactogogue, antihistaminic, antiseptic, cardiac, antispasmodic, carminative, digestive, stomachic, disinfectant, diuretic, emenagogue, expectorant, aperitif, astringent, insecticide, stimulant, tonic and vermifuge substance. The essential oil of caraway is extracted from the seeds of the caraway plant. Caraway is scientifically known as Carum Carvi. Sometimes, it is also labeled with the scientific name Apium Carvi. Caraway seeds are very popular as a spice, particularly in Europe and on the Indian subcontinent. In many religious books, the medicinal properties of caraway seeds have been explained and appreciated. It is said to be the cure for nearly all diseases. The question is, where do these medicinal properties of caraway seeds come from? Where else but from its essential oils? The beneficial, medicinal properties of caraway oil come from its components like Carvone, Furfurol, Acetaldehyde, Cumuninic Aldehyde, and Limonene. In fact, there has been so much research done on the many medicinal properties and health benefits of caraway oil that a book could practically be written on the subject. Let's explore these miraculous properties in a bit more detail. Caraway oil is a known remedy for increasing milk production for lactating mothers. It is advised to consume caraway essential oil with honey. It enhances both the quantity and the quality of milk. The baby feeding on this milk is also kept safe from flatulence and indigestion due to the properties of this essential oil. Anti-histaminic, histamine is the major reason behind disruptive and exhausting coughs. People who suffer from seasonal allergies can continue coughing endlessly. Sometimes, the conditions become so severe that the patient runs out of breath and in some cases, the patient might collapse. Although there are many antihistamine medicines available on the market, they all have their own side effects and do not provide a permanent cure. However, caraway oil can be miraculously helpful by neutralizing the effects of histamine and cures these potentially dangerous coughs and other ailments associated with histamines and allergies. Caraway oil is a very good disinfectant and antiseptic substance. It effectively cures infections of the colon, as well as in the digestive, respiratory, urinary, and excretory systems, along with treating also external infections. It inhibits the growth of bacteria and fungi and prevents the infection of wounds and ulcers. It is also antiseptic and protects wounds against developing tetanus. Caraway essential oil is very good for all-around cardiac health. It helps maintain proper heart rate, strengthens the cardiac muscles, prevents hardening of the arteries and veins, lower blood pressure, and also lowers the cholesterol level in the blood, thus helping the heart from all angles. Regular use of caraway essential oil can keep the heart healthy for a long time and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Caraway oil gives immediate relief from all sorts of spasms and the ailments associated with spasms. In case of muscular spasms, it gives immediate relief for cramps and muscle pulls by inhibiting the effects of certain enzymes and compounds produced in the body which are responsible for the contraction of the muscles. Similarly, it relieves spasms of the respiratory system and can cure hiccups, non-stop coughs, and breathlessness. It is also helpful in curing spasmodic cholera. Troubled by excessive gas? You should consume a small amount of caraway oil with warm water and watch, or hear, the results. This remedy is not only good for occasional gas troubles but also for chronic gas problems. A spoon of caraway oil taken with warm water and a pinch of plain or black salt cures all sorts of indigestion and speeds up digestion by stimulating the secretion of gastric juices, acids, and bile into the stomach. Caraway oil is also stomachic, that is, it keeps the stomach healthy by protecting it from infections, curing ulcers, and facilitating digestion. Caraway essential oil is an ideal diuretic. It is literally a blessing for those who are suffering from obstructed urination, renal calculi, high blood pressure or those who want to lose weight. An increase in the frequency and quantity of urination can help you in all of the above situations. Caraway oil stimulates urination, thereby lowering blood pressure, reducing fat, removing uric acid and cleaning deposits from the kidney. A lot of urination also frees the urinary tract from infections. Caraway oil is a very good treatment for women suffering from delayed or obstructed menstruation. It opens up menstruation and provides relief. It also gives relief for women experiencing postmenopause syndrome. It is a remarkable expectorant. Even smelling this powerful oil gives relief from congestion that has resulted from coughs and colds. When taken with honey or warm water, it loosens mucus deposited in the respiratory system. It gives immediate and long-lasting relief in inflammation of the nasal tract, larynx, pharynx, bronchi, and throat due to colds and other illnesses. Caraway oil has mild aperitif properties as well, so it can increase appetite and improve digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive juices. Furthermore, it helps clear the bowels and ease constipation. Caraway oil is warming and stimulating. It is particularly helpful in curing depression and fatigue. It stimulates all the systems and cycles functioning within the body, including the circulatory, digestive, endocrine, nervous, and excretory systems. It also activates the brain and helps keep you alert and awake. It tones the heart, liver, organic systems, skin, and muscles, reduces wrinkles, boosts strength and energy, and makes you feel young and recharged. It kills insects residing both on and inside the body. It can end the problem of lice and intestinal worms in a very safe way. Most medicines that are used to kill intestinal worms can have very adverse effects on children, unlike caraway oil, which is completely safe. There are many other applications for caraway oil, although less research exists for some of these claims. Its external application can clear congestion in cases of cough and cold, makes the skin bright and fair, can cure inflammation of inner thighs and the areas around the genitals, as well as curing vitiligo, leprosy, rashes, acne, warts, rheumatism, arthritis, gout, vision loss, headache, backache, toothache, and hair loss. Its internal application is capable of curing coughs and colds, nervousness and tension, fatigue, meningitis, loss of memory, diabetes, renal calculi, nausea, vomiting, heart diseases, acidity, impotency, hypertension, diarrhea, fever, insomnia, and problems related to secretions from the endocrine glands. Regular intake of caraway oil is said to protect from all ailments and diseases and keep people healthy and looking young for a long time. There are no inherent dangers to caraway essential oil, except in some rare cases of irritation when a highly concentrated form was applied to the skin. Caraway oil blends well with basil, coriander, frankincense, chamomile, ginger, orange, and lavender oils.